Hi! Today we are going to go over how to download and access Word, Excel, and PowerPoint so that you can use them in your courses. These programs are free for you to download because you are a Delaware Tech student. Before we get started, a note of warning. We know that many students use their phones to access D2L. Your phone is fine for reading content pages in D2L, but when it comes to completing assignments, your best option is to use a computer. If you do not own a computer, that is okay. Delaware Tech offers a laptop loaning program, as well as computer labs on every campus. See the links in the description of this video for more information on those resources. Now back to your assignments. In many of your courses at Delaware Tech, you will be completing assignments that use Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. If you have a MacBook or iPad, you may be used to using programs like Pages, Numbers, and Keynote. These file types cannot be opened by most instructors at Delaware Tech. Do not submit Pages, Numbers, or Keynote files to D2L. Instead, follow these instructions to learn how to download Word, Excel, and PowerPoint for free. So how do you get started with these programs? First, you will need to sign on to My DTCC. Once you are signed in, you are going to select General Apps on the bottom right-hand side of the page. You will see that doing this makes the page box expand to show you several options. Let's zoom in to see what that box looks like. You can see you have access to your email, D2L, and a variety of other things. Right now we are going to focus on Office 365, so let's select that option. If you are using a public computer, like one at the library or a computer lab, you will not be able to download these programs. Instead, you will use the online versions of these programs that you see right here. So if you are using a public computer, just access the programs by choosing the icon on the left hand of the screen. If you are using your own computer or a laptop you are borrowing from the college, you should download these programs and have them installed on your computer. How do you do this? On the same Office 365 screen, in the upper right-hand corner, you will see a button that reads Install Apps. Select that button to continue. You will then be provided with two options: Microsoft 365 Apps or Other. Choose Microsoft 360 Apps to continue. Follow the instructions on your screen. You may need to select the file in the lower left-hand corner of your screen in order for it to open and execute. Once these programs have been installed, you will be able to access them on your computer. In our next video, learn how to download documents from your courses, complete your work, and then save it so you can access it from any computer with internet access. Remember, please don't hesitate to ask for help if you need it. We understand that it can be challenging to use new technology tools, and we are here to support you. Visit our student support website to learn more about the resources available to you as a Delaware Tech student. Again, that link is in the video description.